Neither one of us are planning on having kids. She has never planned on having kids.
And that's just how the last 14 years of marriage have gone for Grant Knutson and his wife, Heather. In fact, the couple had long planned for Grant to get a vasectomy.
We knew this would be the safest, most efficient, most long-term, but we just always put it on the back burner. It was never the priority.
That all changed last spring. When the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, the decision let many states greatly restrict abortion access. While Oregon and Washington aren't poised to follow suit, Grant says he didn't want to chance it.
It kind of lit a fire under us. It made it a priority for me. I still don't have any trust in my mind that this is where anti-abortion people want to stop.
Within days of the ruling, Grant called a local vasectomy clinic. He learned that due to COVID, they were already backlogged before the ruling created a sudden spike in demand. Grant, who splits his time between Portland and Seattle, tracked down an open appointment in Seattle due to a cancellation.
Did the 3-hour drive to get up to the vasectomy clinic at 10 in the morning and get that done that day so that I wouldn't have to wait 3 to 4 months out because of this rush.
And from July onwards, we saw just an astronomical increase in inquiries.
Shrikesh Majithia is CEO of Dr. Snip, the vasectomy clinic. They're based in Seattle and just opened a second location in Portland.
What we're finding now is more men that are concerned about their spouses' options for fertility or for family planning are willing to come through and at least inquire about vasectomy more than ever before.
Majithia says in 2019, they performed 3,000 vasectomies. He expects that number to hit 4,000 for this year, about a 30% increase. It's a trend clinics are seeing nationwide. Majithia says they're able to get patients in right away, but cautions anyone considering a vasectomy to think it through.
So, for example, a lot of men think that it's reversible. And it is, but only about 50 to 60% of the time is it successful. So at Dr. Snip, we don't preach it as something you can do and then come back. We want to make sure you're ready for this as a final permanent procedure, right? And we'll see you at that time.
It is a great relief to have that done.
Grant doesn't want his decision to influence other men to do the same, but he hopes it encourages them to talk about and own their role.
Males being as involved as possible in birth control decisions have always been lacking.
As for abortions, a new study funded by the Society of Family Planning shows the number of procedures in Oregon rose 18% in August compared to April. In Washington, they were up by 6%, but in Idaho, abortions decreased by 48%, likely a reflection of the state's near total ban on abortions, leading many to travel out of Idaho to get one. Laurel.